Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, press and hold the crown button or the upper button and keep holding it until the watch turns off. It takes about from 5 to 10 seconds. After the screen turns off, you can release the upper button and wait. You then will see the logo on the screen, the AMAZFIT logo, and once you see it, you can wait until the watch is done rebooting. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.